Hey everybody, it's your girl TheFaithWallace, aka Faithfully Sweet, and you already know I'm wearing your girl Niseyo hair. Like, look at it. This blue is vibrant, popping, and stunning. I get compliments every day. So if you've been paying attention to my last video, that's where I showed you the easiest crochet method. So with this method, I only did individual braids at the front, and the rest I just crocheted back. And the crocheting patterns are all over the place because in the end, as long as it looks cute enough, or when it's pinned up, or even when it's flat down, it's okay. That's all that matters. Hey everybody, so like my last video with the easiest crochet method, I used part of it. With this area that I have tied up, that is going to be the individual box braids, and then the rest I crocheted back. So this video is about to be refreshing your hairstyle, and the most important area is your front. That's the part that becomes unloosed, unraveled, and yes, it happens in the backer areas, but the first thing you see is the front, so that's all we're taking care of.
With this styling method, you'll be able to edit your front row and reduce any tension that you could feel later on or even in the moment. It's a great way to reduce tension, alopecia, or just breaking your edges. I highly recommend when you're braiding and cornrowing your hair, you use some type of gel-based oil or just oil, because as a protective style, we know we're gonna have this in for a minute, and you need to make sure your hair stays nice and nourished. One of the reasons I inserted the braid into the cornrow and then pulled it out was to show how easy it is with this method to undo and redo this style. All you had to do, pull it through and take off some of the locks in the surrounding area. Voila, fresh do. So once again, we're gonna install the individual braid into the cornrow. We're gonna loop it through a couple times to make sure it's nice and secure, and then we're gonna put those fox locks on top. This Niseyo Blue Lock Soft Hair, it comes in 3 packs. It's all you need to complete this style. I highly recommend following a pattern where you insert 3 crochet locks on one cornrow, starting from the back, followed by the front, and followed by the middle, and do that on every single cornrow, and then go back through and add the locks in the middle, between the middle and the front, middle and the back. Keep adding it in until it looks cohesive. This will also help you to evenly distribute your hair and not overcrowd your hair by buying extra packs that aren't needed. And for any of y'all watching this video trying to get inspiration to do a colorful hairstyle, I say do it. Oh my goodness, this color is so vibrant. Like, I get compliments every day. It's insane. And I'm not gonna lie, I never thought I would be a colorful person to try out these styles, and every time I get compliments, I sometimes do a double take because I'm like, who are you talking to? And then I realize, oh, me. And it's such a great mood booster, and literally looking at yourself in the mirror with this playful and vibrant, I can't help but say vibrant because it is. Do it, do it, do it. This is your sign. Do it. Now that I'm coming to the end and installing all my fox locks, I'm going to go off camera and install some locks in the places that are a bit patchy. As you see, this is how the hair is looking. Beautiful, bomb, mwah. Get you some. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up on my Instagram, TheFaithWallace, as well as It's Platinum Travel. Thank y'all. Love y'all. Bye.